Day 9, Yuki's Cooking Challenge. This morning, Yuki wakes up to rain tapping on her window. New York is gray, and she misses Japan, her mom's rice, her family's laughter. I'm here to learn and grow, she tells herself, pushing away homesickness. Today is day 9 in America, and she's going to a cooking class at the community center. In the class, the smell of garlic and herbs fills the air. Yuki feels better. The teacher, Mrs. Johnson, says good morning. Today, we make spaghetti with marinara sauce, a classic Italian dish, easy and yummy. Yuki writes new words: spaghetti, marinara, basil, oregano. She worries, can I remember all this? Yuki starts cooking. She boils water for spaghetti and adds salt carefully. But chopping garlic is hard. The knife feels heavy, and she's scared to mess up. Emma, a classmate, notices. Yuki, need help? Emma asks kindly. Yuki nods shyly. Yes, I'm not sure how to chop right. Emma shows her how to hold the knife and chop garlic into small pieces, like this, so it cooks evenly. Yuki tries and gets better. Thank you, Emma. You're so nice, she says. No problem. We learn together. Emma smiles. Yuki feels braver. She puts garlic and olive oil, smelling the yummy scent. But then, oh no, I forgot tomatoes. She panics. Mrs. Johnson comes over, putting a hand on Yuki's shoulder. It's okay, Yuki. Everyone forgets sometimes. Add tomatoes now, it's fine. Yuki takes a deep breath, adds canned tomatoes, and stirs. The sauce thickens. Yuki mixes spaghetti with sauce and sprinkles fresh basil on top. She takes a bite, and her eyes light up. So good, she cheers. Mrs. Johnson pats her back. Great job, Yuki. You're a natural chef. Yuki smiles big, proud she made a dish in English with friends' help. Leaving class, the rain stops and the sun peeks out. Yuki feels she belongs here more. She calls her mom in Japan. Mom, I made spaghetti today. I learned new words: spaghetti, canned tomatoes, garlic, basil. Her mom laughs. Wonderful, Yuki. I'm proud of you. Yuki smiles, missing home less. I'll keep trying, Mom. I'm happy here. HIROSHI'S Work Challenge. Day 9 in New York. Hiroshi wakes up early, ready for work. He's a dad who loves his family, but today he feels nervous. At his tech company, he has a big meeting. Speaking English with coworkers is hard for him. In the meeting, his boss says, "We need to meet the deadline." Hiroshi hears deadline and freezes. A lion, he thinks, confused. His coworker, Mike, notices and whispers, "Deadline means finish time, Hiroshi." "Don't worry." Hiroshi nods, embarrassed but thankful. He writes down, deadline, meeting. After work, Hiroshi feels tired. He buys a bento box to remember Japan's flavors. On the subway home, he thinks, I made a mistake, but I learned. That's good. At home, the family sits around the dinner table. Hiroshi shares his day. I said something wrong at work. I thought deadline was deadline. He laughs. Yuki smiles. It's okay to make mistakes, Hiroshi. You're learning. Kenta says, Dad, you're brave to speak English at work. Aiko giggles, Deadline? That's funny, Daddy. Hiroshi feels warm inside. Thank you, everyone. I'll keep trying. They learn a new word together. Proud. Yuki says, I'm proud of you, Hiroshi. The kids repeat, we're proud. Hiroshi smiles, feeling stronger. Aiko's happy song, Day 9 in New York. Aiko, 10, skips to school, singing an English song. She's a happy girl who loves learning English like a game. At school, some kids laugh at her accent, but Aiko doesn't care. I love singing, she says. In art class, Aiko draws her family and labels things in English. Chair, table, house. Her teacher says, Great job, Aiko. Aiko beams. At home, the family sits together. Aiko shows her drawing. Look, I wrote English words. She sings her song again. Hiroshi claps. Aiko, your English is so good. Yuki says, you're so brave to sing. Kenta adds, you make us happy, Aiko. Aiko giggles. English is fun. They learn a new word. Brave. Hiroshi says, Aiko, you're brave. Everyone repeats, we're brave. The room fills with laughter. Kenta's school presentation, Day 9 in New York. Kenta, 13, walks to school with a heavy heart. He's smart but shy. At his new high school in New York, he feels different. Today, he has to give a group presentation, and speaking English makes him nervous. In class, his teacher says, Kenta, your group is next. Kenta's hands shake. He says, our project is about, environment. He stumbles, but his friend Sarah helps. It's about saving water, she adds. Kenta smiles, grateful. After school, Kenta plays a video game with his American friend, Alex. He tries English. Go left. Alex laughs. Good call, Kenta. Kenta feels a bit braver. At home, the family gathers in the living room. Kenta shares, I was scared to present today. I said words wrong. Yuki hugs him. You tried, Kenta. That's what matters. Taro says, I mess up at work too. It's how we learn. Aiko jumps up. Kenta, you're the best brother. Kenta blushes but smiles. I'll do better tomorrow. They practice a new sentence. I can do it. Aiko cheers. Say it loud, Kenta. The family laughs together. Evening family time. Every night, the family gathers around the dinner table. Tonight, they eat YUKI'S spaghetti. Taro shares his deadline mistake. Yuki talks about her cooking class. Kenta admits his presentation fears, and Aiko sings her song. They laugh and listen. Yuki says, we're all learning together. It's okay to make mistakes. Hiroshi nods. With family, we can do anything. Kenta and Aiko say, we love you, and hug their parents. They learn a new sentence. We're a team. Everyone repeats it, smiling. The night ends with warmth, love, and hope for tomorrow.